This is the pending repair page. Here you'll find all of the repairs that you have booked in. Start by selecting the repair you want to update or work on. Here you'll find the device information and be able to read and update any notes for future reference. If you used a part during the repair, then you can find the parts used here. If the part doesn't appear that you have used, simply type the part in and press submit. As you can see here, once the part has been submitted, it will move to the parts already replaced. When this has been processed, it will then show this part has been used on the reports page. If you find that a repair is beyond economical repair, then you can click the abbreviated button here. You'll then be prompted to enter your PIN. After submitting this, the device will move to the customer decision page. You'll then be able to contact the customer and they can come collect the device. If you need to reopen the repair, you can also do so here. If your customer wants to unlock their device from a particular network, then you can select the Unlock Network button. Many devices may require you to have the code sent off to external companies to network unlock. You'll now see that the device has been moved to unlock codes. You can now mark the code as ordered when you have done so. This will now move into the code ordered section. Here you can mark the code as received and you have the option to input the code here. Once submitted, the repair will move back to the pending repairs section. Once a repair has been completed, you can press Repair Complete. Again, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. Press Submit. The repair will then move to the collection page. Here, if the customer is happy and has collected their device, you can complete the process by clicking Collect It. If they are unhappy or should they need to, you can reopen the repair here. If you need to send a repair off-site, you can click this button here. You can then enter the location and the expected repair date. Press Submit. The repair will then move to the off-site section here. You can then mark the repair as sent. And you can add a tracking code which is optional. Press Submit and the status will update. You can then go on to this section where we can see if the offsite has been received and we can mark the repair as complete or the status as complete. If you need to move a repair to another store, for example, this one is currently at store 2 and we want to move it to store 1 as our example, click Move Location and then we can change to store 1 and submit. This will then change the location of the repair. Actions such as these will be recorded in the device history section here.